Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So today I have another FPV crate, a sub 250 crate for the month of November. Let's go ahead and see what's inside of this. Before we get moving, if you're interested in anything that I show in this crate or anything on fpvcrate.com, click the link in the video description. I have two of these. One of them is for me and the other one is for you. If you want to figure out how to win yourself one of these crates, wait till the end of the video and I'll explain how. I might want to keep a sharp eye out too while we're going through this. All right, folks. Month of November, let's head over to the bench and see what we got. All right, here we go, getting in the box here. If you have yours coming and you want to be surprised, just mute this and leave it up. I need the analytics, you know what I mean? All right, here we go, opening the crate. I love these sub 250 crates because it is everything you need and no fluff. Really cool stickers, as always, very interesting artwork. I wish that they would put who the artist is in the top or something, you know, someplace off of the sticker itself, but I would like to know who is designing these things. They're very, very, very good designs. I love the Ferris wheel with the big prop in the middle of it. And we have a coupon code. If you want to get 10% off store-wide, use CRATEFRIDAY to get yourself 10% off. All right. And as always, props and props and props and more props. There's always props in the box. I give you props for putting props in the prop box. These are the HQ prop T3 by 2.5 by 3. Again, normal T-mount prop. I'm very happy with HQ props. They tend to be very well balanced. Just a little tech tip here. If you want to see if your prop is well balanced, grab yourself a little piece of safety wire or soldering wire, something that fits inside that center hub hole. It fits in there pretty loosely. Put in that center hub hole. Make a little U channel like that, and go ahead and give your prop a little spin, and see if it wants to stop in a random spot, or if it tends to want to drop to the same point every time. So if it stops kind of randomly wherever it just runs out of momentum, probably a pretty well balanced prop. All right, so I added a little bit of tape at the bottom of the prop just for demonstration purposes. So if you spin the prop and it tends to want to fall to the same spot every time, the spot that's down is the heavy spot. And you know, that prop's probably no good. And even in a batch of very good props, there can be one oddball that just isn't quite balanced well. But this is a quick and easy way to just make sure you got the best of the best for your flight. All right, moving on from the props, we have in the box 4 little boxes, and I'm sure you guys can guess what's in these boxes. These are motors, 2004 4000 kV motors. Really like the finish on them. They have that like olive drab green color to them. Very, very good looking motor. Very smooth, actually. Very, very smooth. And just so we can see here, the prop shaft in the center is a 1.5 millimeter prop shaft. So make sure if you're looking for props for these, they got a 1.5 millimeter hole in the center of them. And the weight's about 18 grams with the full length of wire. So they're not the heaviest, they're not the lightest, but they are pretty darn smooth though. I mean, I got a set of arrow lights that are about this smooth too. These feel smoother than the last set of King 2004s that I received from FPV Crate. So very cool looking motor. And I believe it should be a 12 by 12 mount. Yep, 12 by 12 mounting for the bottom. So keep that in mind as well if you're trying to pair a frame with this. So very cool little motors. All right, folks, so there you go. That's for the month of November. FPV Crate, sub 250 crate coming in with an awesome bundle again. 4 pretty good motors, 3 sets of props, some stickers, a coupon code, and nothing else. No filler, no fluff. If you like the fluff, if you want the shirts, which is really the only thing I miss out of Sub 250 Crate, make sure you go over to fpvcrate.com and check out their threaded t-shirt subscription. Last month's shirt was really nice, and I gotta assume the rest going forward are gonna be just as good. So how do you get yourself one of these sub 250 crates? Well, first thing you can do is you can let your legal tender speak for you. Click the link in the video description and purchase your own, or you can sign up to win one. Remember, I buy one for me and one for you. The link has been hidden in this video. Good luck finding it. And if you're a patron member, well, I'll just post a link there. So if you want to get the link without having to search, head over to Patreon, $2 a month. That'll get you on the list, or try to find it. Good luck, folks. We'll see you next time. And as always, stay positive.